Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I stopped in Lush and I did end up picking up a few goodies. I haven't been in Lush in a long time. I used to visit like probably once a week and pick up some new stuff because I love Lush so much, but the closest one is probably like 15 minutes away. So when I travel down into the city for school, I stop in there once in a while. So I finally decided to pick up a few things that I've wanted to pick up. My whole room smells so good right now. It's been sitting here for a couple days and it just fills the whole room with the aroma of different scents. So I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna get a cute little glass displayer to display some of the bath bombs, the melts, probably not the melts because then they're gonna melt, and just some of the fizzies and everything. But anyways, if you guys want to see what I got at Lush recently, then just keep watching. So here's the bag it comes in, which I absolutely love that this bag is recyclable. It has been recycled, which is really awesome. For those of you who have not heard of Lush, they're all handmade cosmetics. They're animal free, cruelty free, they're ethically sourced, which I absolutely love. So yeah, let's just see what I got. So I'm smelling it as I take it out of the bag, but this is the first item I got. This is just their bags they have currently. I think the colors change throughout months and seasons and everything. This guy, oh, I had to pick up this guy. So this is a bubble bath or a bubble melt, or no, a bubble bar. Not the bag, but what's inside is. I had to pick one of these up because I absolutely love it. I get it pretty much every year it comes out. I believe it's only for Valentine's Day. It's the unicorn horn. It smells so good. I don't know what scents are in it, but you guys definitely have to give it a sniff yourself if you can get to a Lush. If not, I definitely recommend this guy. So this guy is a bubble bar, which means you pretty much just take, you don't have to take the whole thing, which is awesome. You just take a very small piece, crumble it under your water, and then it bubbles up and it smells incredible. So I love it and I'm so excited to use this little guy out. And I know whenever I've used this in the past, I've gotten at least 5 or 6 uses out of it. So you could probably get even more than that, honestly. But that's just how much I've gotten use out of it because I love my baths to be really bubbly when I do want a bubble bath. But definitely recommend this little unicorn horn. Okay, so next item. Smells really good. Let's see what did I get? I forget what this guy is. Oh, okay, so this is, I don't know if you guys can see that, it says Sleepy on the bottom. So I believe this one is for the shower, because I do shower a lot too, so I wanted to try something for the shower. I believe it's like a shower steamer, and it's for bedtime, which is why it says Sleepy. So I believe you just put this guy in the bottom of your shower, and it kind of just steams, and the ingredients and whatnot kind of gets into your system. It's probably lavender in there, I'm pretty sure, and it just helps you get ready for bed and settle down, which I really am excited to try out. I haven't tried any of the steamers before, so they looked really appealing to me. They are a little messy, which I'm not sure if you can use this a couple times or if it's a one-time use. I think I have a few tins that I've gotten in the past, so I will try to get multiple uses out of them and see if I can do that, because I think it was probably a couple bucks, like $6 or $7 for this little Sleepy guy, but I'm excited to try it. I will probably try him out tonight to see how he works. But it smells so incredible. Anything at Lush, I feel like I just love the scent. I can smell anything at Lush and it smells incredible, which I love. So I'm gonna gently put that guy back in the bag for now. Okay, so the next guy, this one's really strong. Which one is this? Oh my gosh. So right when I went in the store and looked over at the bath bombs, the bubble bath, the melts and whatnot, I saw this and was like, I have to get this. It's just too funny. Are you guys ready to see what it is? It's an eggplant, which I have a dirty mind, so I was like, definitely need to get this eggplant. So this is like a bath fizzy, like a bath bomb, so I'm excited to see how this guy works. It looks like it has a little bit of a sparkle to it, so I'm excited to see if this guy kind of like turns and like does all kind of cool like movements and whatnot. But yeah, my dirty mind had to get one of these. It smells so good. If you don't know what a bath bomb is, pretty much you just toss it in your bath. It fizzes, it does some cool movements, changes colors, it has ingredients that are good for the skin. Sometimes they even have little like notes or just little random things inside of them, which is really fun and exciting. It's good to do one every once in a while. Definitely love my bath bombs. And I just wanted to read a few of their values real quick for those of you who are wondering, if you have never shopped at Lush, if you're just curious. So they fight animal testing. They have the freshest cosmetics. The ingredients are fresh, more effective for your product, which is really good. Ethical buying. We strive to choose ingredients that make a positive impact on the earth and the communities that harvest them, which I absolutely love. They try to cut down on their waste as much as they can, which I love. They do have products that are totally packaged free as well, which is incredible. They are 100% vegetarian. Everything we make is always 100% vegetarian, and more than 80% is vegan. So there's something for everyone, which is great. Handmade, everything is handmade, look and feel. Human touch makes all the difference. And naked, when it comes to packaging, less is more and none is even better. So there's minimal waste for our environment. That's very important because we waste so much. So I do love that, and I just wanted to read those in case you guys were wondering, for those of you who have never tried Lush before or even heard of them. Okay, so this guy, I was so excited when I saw this. Aside from, like, I was so excited for the eggplant, and then when I saw this guy, I was like, yes, I need this one as well. It smells so good. I have it, like, this far away, and I can already smell the aroma. It smells so good. So, this guy, bam. It's upside down, but bam. So this guy is a peach. It looks just like the emoji peach, except it's like two-toned, which I absolutely love. It does have a little bit of shimmer too, so I think it'll leave a shimmer like residue on the body, which I'm all for shimmer. It smells incredible. It smells just like peaches mixed with something. I don't know what the scent is. I wish I had like a list of the scents, but I don't, unfortunately. I'm sorry. If you guys do go to the website, you can totally see what is in each individual bath bomb, bath melt, bubble bar, and whatnot. But yeah, when I saw this guy, I was like, I need him in my life. He's so big though. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, like if you can see from the side, this is so big. So I'm going to see how it performs in my bathtub. Definitely have to use this one soon. So next, I totally forgot I got one of these. It comes, well, they put it in like this little like black, like it looks like an egg carrier almost. Which this has definitely been recycled, and it can be broken down, I'm pretty sure for a fact. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, I got two. I totally forgot. So these are just actual little bath melts. They're bath melts. So one, this smells so good. I wish I remembered what the names of these were and what ingredients were, unfortunately, but I don't. I'm sorry. But I got this little guy here. That's just what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's almost like a coffee melt. Or these actually might be like massage bars. I totally forget. I'm gonna have to look it up and see. But I got one of these little guys here. And then I also got this cute little guy. He has a cute little face on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Smells so good. So I'm just looking up what those are called real quick, just so I can tell you guys, because I don't want you guys to be left like curious. Okay, so yeah, the eggplant and the peach bath bombs, they're both new. It looks like for Valentine's Day. So I thought these were body butters, but apparently they're not. Let me see. So I totally forgot, but those little guys are cleansing balms. So this guy here, oh, as I'm about to drop the one guy, this one here is Gritty Pellity Naked Cleansing Balm. So that one definitely has something in there to really get into the skin and exfoliate it, which is nice. So I just looked it up. It has exfoliating coconut shells and creamy cocoon butter to soften and create a supple and clear face, which is awesome. And then this little guy is just called Sleepy Face. So I guess this one's really good before bedtime. So I'm excited to try these out. Those little guys were $5.95 each. And I just found my receipts so I can tell you guys the prices of the other items in case you were wondering. So the Sleepy Shower Balm was $3.25. The cleansers, like I just said, were $5.95 each. The unicorn horn bubble bar was $6.95. The peachy bath bomb was $6.95. The eggplant bath bomb was $6.95. And then I have some other items to show you guys. So the next item I got was this Eve's Cherry Lip Scrub. Soft and sweet cherry kisses await. Anything cherry I love. Cherry's my absolute favorite. I actually used to have my whole bedroom with big cherries like along the whole wall, which my mom did for me. That's how much I loved cherries. So I was so excited when I did see this guy. It smells so good. This actually reminds me of like a Rita's water ice. It just smells so incredible. Like I just want to eat it. Which you can totally eat it if you want to, which I love about like these lip scrubs. It just smells incredible. I'm obsessed. And this lip scrub is $7.95. So next I picked up this next item because my lips have been absolutely horrible lately. No matter what I do, they always seem to be dry, which one thing is I don't drink nearly enough water, so that definitely probably has something to do with it. But I picked this up to help because the gentleman that helped me out said this actually is really good for dry lips. So it's the Rose Lollipop Lip Balm. Let lips blossom with this floral flavored lip balm. So this is just what it looks like here. It smells so, so good. This is just what it looks like on the inside. So it feels like a really nice lip balm too. Yeah, it feels really good on the skin. So I'm excited to try that probably later tonight on my lips. And this lip balm was $10.95. Did not know this little guy was that much, but yeah, he was $10.95. Lastly, I just have two samples. So one, I have the Mask of Magnanimity, I believe it is. Just in a little jar, I guess you would call it, or a little container. It smells so good. That's what it looks like there. It's green and it has a minty scent. But it has some type of like an exfoliant, like some type of beads in there to exfoliate the face. So I actually have tried this before, but you can always get samples while you're there. So I picked up one of these as a sample. And then next, as I was checking out, the guy just asked if I wanted another sample, and I was like, of course, I'll definitely take another sample. So he threw in this Magic Crystals Body Scrub, which I've never heard of, nor have I tried. So let's open this guy out and see. Oh my gosh, it's purple. Can you guys see how bright and vibrant that is? It smells like it has like a menthol or something in there. It smells so good. I'm obsessed. Definitely gonna have to try this out in my shower tonight and see how I like it. Oh my god. I can't stop sniffing. Did not know they came out with this. I'm gonna have to try it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini little Lush haul. If you do want to see more Lush hauls in the future, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'm so excited with all the goodies that I got. I'm excited to try these out and see how I like them. And until my next one, bye!